I got grand stress. Cut. We have two replacements in music, so I will say this. Wire Canon, the camera company, and this mysterious superheroine here.
I think her name is Cure Miracle, and she's from a season of the hit Magical Girl anime franchise known as Precure. It's basically Sailor Moon's Magical Girl themes mixed with Power Rangers' tendency to change the name of the show every season. At least, that's what Poppy, the Minecraft flower, told me.
Ignoring that brief explanation of the Precure franchise, we need to tell you why we are here. Hence the TriStar, and Two Stupid Dogs Fan 2007, and Dora watching Ojamajo Doremi on the Telga Night channel.
映像を届けるのを忘れた。
It's okay. Also, Homer told me that the piece of music was the Grand Star theme from Super Mario Galaxy. As for who did it, we aren't sure. So we'll remove the music ourselves. And once we do, and Hath and Dora come back, we'll do take 47.